my channel. I hope that you all are doing good. If you are new, my name is Ridley and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be something a little bit different because I am going to bring you guys to visit central of London. So I'm going to get into London Eyes and museum, I believe, and I will show you some food, and my mom will join me in these videos as well. So please keep on watching and I will show you around.